up, everybody? Justin AZRC here. Finally got back out to play again. Got the Kraton, let's see, V4. Got a Max6 in it now with a 1650 kV. Absolutely love it. I'm running today. It's only 100 degrees out here in the desert. Live in Phoenix, Arizona, Scottsdale, wherever. We're up here on Papago at the park. And I got my buddy here today too, who I met on Facebook. You guys may know Charlie Whitney, I'm sorry. I got him out here with me today. This is our first bash together. So I got the Techno in the car. Got the Arrma right here. Oh yeah, I got my Savic Servo, the 1270 TG hooked up in this bad boy now. So she's running. Yeah, we got some good jumps here. Been crazy. See if I can get some bids for you guys. It's kind of hard to hit these because it's not much of a run out, but what you do. It's all good. I love this Max6. All kinds of new control. I just gotta get used to it. This is a dusty, dirty mess over here. Oh, look at Charlie! Alright, we're gonna go over here and hang out with Charlie. This is some crazy stuff out here, dude. Tell you what. So this is a mountain bike trail. There you go. Ow! Got the tripod going on. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's when I finally went with a GoPro. I was like, man, come on. I think I could do so much better if I had a GoPro. This is a sweet little ramp here. Oh! Landed right on that rock. Uh-oh. It's hard to get around up here.
When the camera's off, it happens.
I know, it always happens that way. Feels like I'm in like a rack or something.
Yeah.
I wonder where that could take you.
I was thinking that, and then I just needed enough speed. I was like,
Well, made it back. Whoa. That was crazy. Oh, no, it didn't look like that. And you gotta be on the lookout for rattlesnakes up here. This is really love to chill out in the nice basement sun. Lawn dart.
Play make the rock.
Uh-oh. Steering don't look good. All right, here we go, part 2. So I had to do a little fix to the front hub, the carbon piece. I lost a bolt on my Kraton and it fell off while we were at the BMX track. So we're over here at the new track, or the old spot, excuse me. Everybody's ready to go again, so let's see what we can break now. Oh yeah, this is the first time running the Max6 on grass. I don't even know what it feels like. It's been like dirt and asphalt. Yeah, but I haven't been able to, everywhere I've ran it's all been traction, or no traction, so. Oh, one more, come on. Here it comes. Ow, stuffed it. Lawn dart. Whoa, one more. Thank you. Good time. So I finally found some fellow bashers. Great times. Wow, this thing just eats the grass now. Whoa. No, we just missed each other. Uh-oh, trash can. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shit. We should have brought a shotgun. Was that the same side?
Oh, it broke all kinds of stuff this time. Broke that rod.
Oh, you brought that rod in too.
Yeah, and that is the same
dog
side.
bone. Dog bone. Yeah,
Nice.
I did.
Oh, there it is.
No. Oh, damn, look at that. I picked up the stick. I was like the stick sticking out of the ground. it was its headstone.
That's so funny.
It was like this. I was like,
It's like there.
Awesome.
That's funny.
Oh yeah.
I was wondering, I'm like, oh, I don't know what he's picking up, but he's
Right.
that was perfect.
Easy there. Wow.
Let's see, we're running a 22th pinion on here. It's windy as piss today. I don't know what the piss is, but I wouldn't want to try to piss it that way. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Running a 20 tooth pinion in this, and let's see, Max6, 1650, all that good stuff. Double wobble. It's funny because this thing actually handles almost like my Techno now with all the power.
Yeah.
It almost feels like it's a shorter wheelbase.